Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse videos on CapCut. If you have a clip that you want to reverse, I'll guide you through the process in this video. It's pretty easy, so let's hop right into it. First, head over to the CapCut application. Once you're there, create a new project or go to the project where you already have the clip. Let's say I want to reverse a certain part. Split the clip right where you want to reverse it. Once you've done that, copy the clip so you have the exact same clip playing on both sides. Now, click on the clip. Scroll until you find the copy option and click on it. It'll bring up the same clip as a copy. Click on the copied clip. Then, scroll until you find reverse. Click on reverse, and it will load the reversed clip. Now, as you can see, the clip is moving, and when it reaches this reversed part, it smoothly transitions into reverse. And that's it. You've successfully reversed a video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.